guys, I thought that I would do an outing, but I can't. Because, as I said, Aaron, making ice cream soap, there's my kitten back there. Mama. Yeah. She's right there. Yeah. Oh, he's cool. I thought I would do my my second vlog. I don't really do vlogs, but it's not really my thing, man. It's not really my thing, bro. It's not really my thing doing vlogs. It's my thing doing videos for you guys. And I hope that you like my videos. So, yeah. I thought I would do a vlog of my cat, my pretty little cat. Come here. She always comes.